Hello friends, the budget has come and you're basically wondering how your trading regimen will change. Raise the STT substantially on futures and options. What is my strategy now that import duty on gold and silver has been reduced and prices of bullion have come down sharply? Because a couple of months ago, I made a video saying bullion will go up. Do remember what I said in that video, 2025. Why did I say 2025? What is an update from my side about bullion now? And what about the future of day trading now that STT is gone up? Let's examine these points in a very logical and rational manner using substantiative statistical evidence. Now friends, I made a video in which I told you must learn how to behave like a two marshmallow trader instead of a one marshmallow trader that you may be now. Now, what is the marshmallow theory of trading? It is explained in a video to which the hyperlink is in the description and in the pinned comment below. In that video, I told you must learn to become a two marshmallow trader and stretch the profit of each and every trade slightly more than the previous one. I even gave you studies which will help you make bigger profits per trade. Why did I do that? Because in my video a couple of weeks ago of what if taxes are raised on F&O or lot sizes are increased or other STT and other charges are raised higher, I told you that your take-home profit will come down. Now, what can offset this increase in trading and execution cost, commission and taxes? Bigger trading profits. So is there a way out? Yes. I'm not really worried. I think my trading is going to go on as before. I will tweak my statistical trading model a little bit here and there, and my take-home profit should not really go down. I will, of course, keep you updated on our free Telegram channel. That is one place where I share all my thoughts with you. Now, about bullion. I don't think you should be worried at all about bullion. Why? Because all the reasons that I gave you in that video on bullion are still as valid. Why is bullion come down sharply? Hey, it's come down in percentage terms the most in India because we've reduced our import duty. So the landed cost of bullion is cheaper here. Has it fallen by that much in the US markets? No, not at all. So this is more of the impact of reduction in import duty. Now, why is bullion likely to go up in 2025? Why am I not talking about 2024? My logic remains the same. More than 6 countries are undergoing national general elections in the calendar year 2024. Economic data is invariably massaged, gravy covered, a feel-good factor is spread in the economy, and before the election, brownie points are won by the incumbent with a fond hope of coming back to power. And the biggest one of them all is in November of this year, the United States. Now, because of this, you are going to see a standard operating procedure that the US adopts. Number one, strengthen the dollar because your imports then become cheaper and inflation goes down. Number two, push oil prices lower. Hey, you're already seeing that. Once the US election is done and dusted, the standard operating procedure of pushing the dollar up, pushing gold prices down, which it does so that people will divert their money to equities and boost up stock prices, then pushing the oil price down will then reverse. Or at least the prices will stop going down where oil and gold are concerned. And then all the gravy that has been covering the economic data and all the massaging that has been done of the economic data over a period of the next 2 quarters, which means the first quarter, 2 quarters of calendar year 2025, all that gravy and all will start coming off. And then comes the data which will be less than flattering. That will be a perfect breeding ground for the bullion bull. Now, this is more of a long-term story. I've been asked by many of my online families, Vijay, I'm stuck in Bullion, and even though you advised me not to do so, I bought it in leverage. In leverage meaning futures. Hey, please don't do that. Ever. Why? I'll give you my simple logic. I'm a very simple-minded fella. I get 7% approximately, give or take a little bit, in a 10-year benchmark bond, which is the only fixed income instrument I will sleep easy after buying, because it is guaranteed by the President of India, both the principal and the interest. Now, if I'm going to get 7% on a fixed income instrument, you actually expect me to pay up to 18% in cost, commission, taxes, rollover charges, financing charges, peak margins, mark-to-market margins after buying in futures? Do I really look that kind of crazy to you? It's actually criminal to pay 15 to 18% interest when you're getting only 7% interest from fixed deposits and or 10-year sovereign bond yield. So always take delivery. Now, deliveries will give you a feeling of the sunk cost theory. You've already bought it. If the price is falling down, you're not paying mark to market, and think of it as a temporary discomfort. So I think let's plan ahead. What about my plans and what about my hypothesis of pro-cyclical hysteresis in financial markets in 2025? On track, on time, I maintain my view. And as we speak, our systems are being tweaked, which they have been for the last couple of months, to be able to be ready by the 3rd or 4th week of November for the expected, from my point of view, of course, pro-cyclical hysteresis in financial markets. Now, friends, I've been warning you about PSUs and banking stocks in my live mint column, in my videos, and in my social media posts. For the last 1 week or more, I've been also sharing you MWPL data, which warned you where the biggest declines could come, and it played out perfectly well. Now, this proves to you that using the power of statistical analysis, it is possible to stay ahead of the crowds, and we are all about staying ahead of the crowds, because staying ahead means winning. So, as you can see, I'm not really perturbed with what's happened on the STT front. I'm prepared. I'm not losing sleep over it. This is something we expected. Let's look beyond this. Let's look beyond 2024, because in 2025 lie bigger trading profits. Friends, before I sign off from this video, a reminder to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. Click on the bell icon to receive instant alerts about fresh videos being put about here. In the comments segment, do let me know how my videos help you become better traders. And please share my video with smart traders like yourselves and help my free channel grow a bit more. Thank you for your patience in being with me in this video. Till we meet again in my next. This is Vijay Bhambwani signing off for now. Take care. Bye-bye.